How to create a subplot for each group of a pandas column. In Titanic dataset, I need to create a chart that shows the percentage of passengers for all class who survived. Also, it should have 3 pie charts. Class 1 survived and not survived, Class 2 survived and not survived, Class 3. How can make this happen? I already tried this type of code, but it produces wrong values. This code produced true values, but I need that in 3 pie chart. Class 1, 2, 3 survived, 0, 1.
The correct way to get subplots using pandas is to reshape the data frame. Pandas.crosstab is used to shape the data frame. Pandas.dataframe.pivot and pandas.dataframe.pivot_table are other options for reshaping data for plotting. Then plot using pandas.dataframe.plot with kind equals pi and subplots equals true. Extra code has been added for formatting. Rotating the class label, plot title, custom legend instead of a legend for each subplot. Specify the labels for the legend, specify colors for the number of labels. Tested in Python 3.8.12, Pandas 1.3.4, Matplotlib 3.4.3. Formatted figure. Unformatted figure.
Code. Results.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.